In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Revolut. Before we begin, a quick note. Cryptocurrency is volatile and fees can vary. So take a moment to be comfortable with the risks and make sure your Revolut app is up to date. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. On the bottom navigation bar, tap Crypto. This brings you to Revolut's crypto section where you can browse coins, see market moves, and manage any existing holdings. Next, tap Trade to open the marketplace. From here, select Bitcoin. If you don't spot it right away, use the search bar to type Bitcoin or filter by market cap to list the largest coins first. Bitcoin will be near the top. Tap it to open the Bitcoin page where you'll see the current price and recent performance. Now, tap Buy. This takes you to the purchase screen. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then choose which balance you'd like to pay from. You can fund the buy with any eligible currency balance in your Revolut account. Pick the one that suits you and enter an amount that fits your budget. Keep in mind minimum purchase amounts may apply and you'll need enough balance to cover the crypto plus any fees. When you're ready, tap Review Order. This summary is important. Check the exchange rate, the fees, the total you'll pay, and the estimated amount of Bitcoin you'll receive. Because prices update in real time, the quote may refresh. Take a second to confirm everything looks right. If you're happy with the details, tap Confirm Order to finalize your purchase. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to authenticate to proceed. That's it, your Bitcoin purchase is complete. You'll see your new position reflected in the crypto section and in your portfolio balance. From here, you can simply hold your Bitcoin within Revolut and track its value over time, or, if you prefer, you can send it to another exchange or wallet that supports Bitcoin. Just remember that network fees and transfer limits may apply, and availability can depend on your region. To wrap up, you've learnt the full flow. Open the app and head to crypto, use Trade to find Bitcoin, hit buy, enter your amount and funding balance, review the order carefully, and confirm. With these steps, you can make a quick, informed purchase of Bitcoin right inside Revolut.